So what gave you the name Little D?
When they found me for Bang Bros, they just made it for me. It was like, it's gonna be a name, it's gonna be for a scene, you're gonna have a stepmom, and you're gonna go clean your room, and then your room gonna be all dirty, right? And then she's gonna be like, Derek, why you ain't clean your room? And then it was like, I was supposed to be like, my name's not Derek, it's Lil D. Some shit like that, but we ain't never do it. And it just stuck. Forget it, so I kept it.
So would you say that you have a Lil D?
Yeah. Just gonna have to find out.
Okay. So would you say the name fits you though? Or is it kind of like...
Makes you think.
What is the craziest thing that you've ever done to get some...
Go on a TV show.
You went on a TV show? Which TV show were you on?
It's called Barbie Wants Both. She told me pull up. I'm like, TV show, and I get the hit. It was before you. It was before I hit. You know, before you hit, you like, you might go a little bit out the way for the first hit. After that, you like, I was like, let's go see what's up. Yeah. Go check it out. And I was on that shit. There's something. Yeah.
So
You know, talking more though.
you were on the show, and then were you able to fuck her after?
I was the only one that on the show. On the show.
On the show.
Yeah, and then I had a three-way with her in Miss London.
That's crazy.
And I recorded it.
You recorded it?
Hell yeah. You wanna see?
I mean, down. Is 4 times a day, every single day, good or bad?
Yeah, that's bad. You can't be having 4 times a day, bro. If you busting 4 a day, my boy, your is screaming. That is tired. He needs a break. You better leave that alone for like a week. Word. 4 times a day is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even like 3 times a day. Like the max I do is 2. You feel me? After 2, it's like, alright, you doing. Like, even though I did link up with one of my joints, you know what I mean, that we used to be like this, but then we went like this. Then she came back. I saw her sell it one time. I fucked her in the night. I was like, yeah, I missed it. So every now and then, you know what I mean, you could do a little 4 in a day, but try and save it for later, you feel me? You're gonna need it later. You don't wanna drain the whole tank in one sitting, you feel me? Just chill.
What's the most amount of times that you've in a day?
The most? Different shows were like 4 or 5.
So you 4 or 5 different girls in the same day?
Yeah, before. It was like I woke up with one, I was at her house, woke up again, spent off. There was some other joint, she wanted to do some content, did some content with her, and then late night, there was these 3 joints. I remember the day. Nah, but the other 2 only gave me. So I got from 2, and then the other 3 out. Cause at the end, like I woke up in the morning as one, did content with the other one, and the other 3, you feel me? I only one of them, and then the other 2 gave me. That was late night.
How long do you think should last?
Should last? Real, this should last anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour, 2 hours. Just, I ain't gonna lie. I done had some amazing 5-minute sessions. It only take 5 minutes, you feel me? If you think about it, half y'all ain't even run for 5 minutes without stopping. So by 5 minutes, you ready to be done anyway. Gangster. And if you can make sure to 5 minutes, then once she don't care when you really, you feel me? She got, so she good, she ready.
Okay.
Go ahead and, but then sometimes you be drunk, you be with your main shorty, and it be one of them nights y'all just get real intimate. Y'all just shuddered and She, we just doing it for like an hour and a half. Like 2 at night, we ain't done like 3, 4 in the morning. So, yeah, that'd be good too. I had a couple of those nights too. Where I'm out the shroom sometimes. Oh, yeah, you know, the stick of the head.
Have you ever accidentally too fast?
Hell yeah. Do that? Shorties be having good. Every on too fast once or twice, bro. And if he says he don't hear a lot, he getting some. You feel me? Half y'all can't stop yourself from too quick. But I learned how to do that once I started doing it. I had to learn because I would be giving them 2 pop shots halfway through, and then I'll throw you another one at the end. You feel me? But it's like you can't do that. You gotta just save it to the end. So I had to learn that. Took a second, but you know what I mean? It's all about breath control. You gotta breathe. Oh my God, they just act like you've been there before. Just remember, it start feeling like a dream when you in that. It's like, yeah, this is crazy. You gotta be like, this is real life. It's just putting my in the hole. You just gotta remember that and don't get too excited.
If your best friend's girl tried to f you, would you tell your best friend about it?
Yeah.
You would tell him?
Yeah.
Would you f his girl?
What? I don't think so. I don't know. It depends. Like cause sometimes you gotta, he just so in la la land, like that's not your girl, bro. You stop it. Like he trying to cuff up on a joint that be, feel me? That don't count. But if it's like his main joint, you feel me? Like.
And she really wanted to f you and you knew it.
She gotta be a bad on the head, bro. She gotta be bad. Like if it's like Kim K or something, I'm hitting. It's quiet. But Kylie Jenner, facts.
How big is your?
I don't know. I never measured it. I know it's bigger than my iPhone. I got the iPhone Max.
It's bigger than your iPhone. That's crazy. You've measured it before with your iPhone?
You know what I mean? You watch it sometimes. It's like right there. So it's like it's bigger. You just know. Feel me?
One time we had a guy with 13 inches on the bus.
Jesus, that's crazy.
Do you think that your dick is 13 inches?
Nah, it's like a horse. I don't think you could get a proper that big. I don't know. My shit big enough, should be on it. Gangsta.
Okay. So, what is the craziest thing that you've done on camera?
Probably with grandma. That was pretty crazy. She was like 70 something. It was when I was in the trenches. Threw me in the trenches, had a couple big girls, a couple old heads, a couple. Yeah, but that grandma was crazy. She on me, she yellow. I'm like, I don't know. That's kind of nasty.
Would you f your grandma again?
I don't know. Probably in the future, cause like I be with a lot of right now, so when I get older, they probably gonna turn to grandmas, right? I don't know. Maybe one day. I ain't gonna old grandma. She can't be old as hell. She gotta be like 60. That's a cutoff. 60. 63. Yeah, that's a cutoff.
Why 63?
I don't know. That's a good number. I think that's a good cutoff. 65 sound crazy. 65-year-old, that's OD. 63 don't sound that bad though.
But you said you f a 70-year-old something.
And that's why it was a crazy scene I ever did, but I ain't gonna do it again. That was nasty.
Do you think that you gave her the best that she's ever had in her life?
She lived like 5 lifetimes, so I don't know, but I definitely gave her some good. She was much. I was like, what the f? I didn't even know old heads was. Them old heads fake freaky, I ain't gonna lie. She just,
Were you able to do like positions with her? Was it a little more like hard because she was older?
Hell no, she was everything. She was jumping on top. Had that folded up like a pretzel, all type of I was like, this old head.
How many girls would you say that you've in a week before?
But just this week alone, it was a regular week. I had 5 shorties. Probably on regular like 5. Sometimes like, most I had was probably like 10. I don't be trying to go crazy though, you feel me? It's like, you gotta use it or lose it, but at the same time, you don't wanna weigh it out. So it's like, yeah, nah, kings. Like 5 on average, you know what I'm saying? Try to mix it up, have a couple shorties in rotation. Just a couple. 3, 4, you know what I mean? One might be busy, you know what I mean? I ain't mad at her, go ahead.
What would you say that your body count is?
I lost track a long time ago. Yeah, I don't remember. Definitely 300 plus. And that's just making sure, that's saying like 100% sure, at least 300. I don't know if 400, maybe 400. But I know for sure 3. Definitely hit like 3.
What doesn't feel real?
None of this.
Feels like a dream?
Right.
Oh.
I don't know. Am I dreaming?
I don't know, are you? Do you think that you can tell if a woman is faking it?
Yeah. They be doing too much sometimes. They just like, they be doing too much. It ain't that crazy. But at the same time, shorties don't usually be faking it for me. But you know what I mean? You can tell. You definitely can tell. I know it for sure. Cause then you gotta remember too, a lot of shorties, you got that from getting, then shorties that from they not from, so it's not possible. You could them, but they still got you feel me? Understandable. So you just let them out, like, get that out, and then you just do what you do. Make sure you take care of the too. They matter too, you feel me? Let them rub. Sometimes they'll be scared, right? Cause like, they don't want you to feel like you're not pleasing them or something, but they, so it's like, bitch, rub that. Or let them take out their little, whatever. What?
So are you okay with girls using toys during?
I don't care. Like if she want to use a little vibrator or something, go ahead. Still gonna hit that.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to help the fan bus get to 300K subscribers.